Welcome back to the Garden of Treats. So in this video, we will be showing you how we planted our green beans. So we planted 36 more plants of green beans. So first we watered the ground underneath where we wanted to place our pallet. This was to soften up the ground so that we can dig some holes to put the seeds in the ground. We realized that with the previous green beans that we grew, the green beans that we planted directly into the ground are producing more green beans than the ones that were planted into the soil that we put in the raised beds. So now Mark is using a shovel to help break up the ground and make it easier for us to dig holes to place those seeds. So now we will use our soil, some gardening soil, to fill up those slots of the pallet. We're just putting a light layer of soil on top of the broken up soil beneath the pallet, just to give it a little more nutrients for the seeds to sprout. So we have this compost turning tool that basically has two little prongs on it that we can use to poke holes into the dirt. So you can see I am using the tool to make 2 holes into each little slot on the pallet. These are our holes where we will plant the green bean seeds, and they are at the perfect distance apart, so it worked out perfectly. So these are some green beans. So now I am taking the time to plant 1 green bean seed in each of the holes throughout the pallet. And at this moment, Marley woke up. So Mark went to go check on Marley while I am covering up each seed. Now that there is soil on top of each green bean, I am going to water the whole entire pallet to make sure that soil sets. And as you can see, Marley is out here with her gardening hat on, and she is ready to work. Thank you for stopping by the Garden of Treats and visit lovealways.shop for more love.